today's video is gonna be a super duper duper exciting video because today's video involves a really humongous box. Oh my gosh, guys, like it's really hard to carry because it's so heavy. Okay guys, so today's video is gonna be an unboxing, reviewing on the Caperci kitchen utensils. So as you guys know, I've really been into cooking lately. I've been posting some cooking videos on YouTube, and no cap, like, sign me up for MasterChef, period. So without further ado, subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button. Please make that red subscribe button gray. Hit that post notification bell button right next to the subscribe button so that way you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Share this video with your friends and family so that way you can recommend them these awesome kitchen supplies. Yeah, and check the description box down below. I always have a whole bunch of links, discount codes, and I'm always writing updates there. And yeah guys, so let's get on with the video. Okay, so they are the Caperci wooden spoon set of 4. It's called Caperci Better Kitchen. It says that they are of durable material, they are easy to clean, they are food grade. Amazing, amazing, amazing. 3 amazings. Okay, so liven up your kitchen. Life in the kitchen is easier when you use the right tools for the task. The wooden spoons has a long handle to help you reach into deep pots while keeping your arms and hands safely away from the heat. Okay guys, so let's open them up. So let's open it up. Open it up. Open it, open it, open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Open it, open it, open it up. I think I could be in Wild 'N Out. Yep, with my awesome wrapping skills. So these are the 4 utensils that it comes with. Look at this one. It's like a big wooden spoon, which is perfect for trying soup. Perfect for soup. Perfect to mix a soup. Look at how long it is, guys. Okay, this is my arm, and then this is the spoon. Okay, that is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I would say that this is more than a foot long. I love the colors. It's like super smooth, guys. Like it doesn't feel like rough and bumpy. Like it's like perfectly carved, smoothed out. And I really like this spoon because like I could tell that it's real wood, because you know how real wood, it's like multi-toned. It's not like one solid tone, so like I could tell that it's not painted, which is awesome. It's like deep enough, you know. It has like little whoops, so it's not like shallow or anything like that. Like look at it from the angle. Yep, I love that it has these like little hangers here, so that way you could add like a string, and if you want you could just hang it as like kitchen decor, or you could put like a little nail and you could hang it on your walls, you know. That's also aesthetically pleasing. And there's just sometimes where you honestly could buy these as like kitchen decorations. Like I've gone into kitchens where people like literally have like these things up as decor. Here's the next one. I really love this one, guys, because I've never seen like a hamburger wooden cooking stick before. Never in my life have I seen one, so I'm just like, wow. like I feel like Ariel from The Little Mermaid when she sees things from the earth for the first time. Like, I've never seen this before. This is so cool. Here's the thing. You know how pots and pans like damage over the time because of aluminum utensils you use to cook? The aluminum scrapes the pots, the pans, and that's when your pots and pans scratch and get damaged and then look not cute. So, okay, so you know how they say use the plastic because the plastic doesn't scratch your pots and pans. Okay, the plastic doesn't scratch my pots and pans, but it melts, and plastic melting in your food, it's dangerous. It's not safe, guys. Like burning plastic when it's heating up, it's really dangerous. You guys heard it before when they say that it's bad to heat the baby bottle with the milk inside the microwave because the plastic releases something that can be very dangerous for one's health. So I really recommend you guys getting wooden utensils, specifically Caperci Better Kitchen utensils, obviously. Oh, and I'm gonna have in the links down below where you could purchase these amazing kitchen utensils. You can find them on Amazon, and I'm gonna have a direct link down below in the description box. Look, this is perfect because you know how like when you're cooking meat, specifically like hamburger patties or like food that could stick, like when you're cooking eggs, you know that you need these things to be able to like scoop them up and flip them over. And I like that it doesn't have holes here, so that way like things don't like sink through, and that way it like remains flat. Because if this was metal, this would ruin your pots and pans, and pots and pans are not cheap, guys. They're really expensive. If the Walmart pots and pans are expensive now, like imagine like in home decor stores.
And like I said, yes, plastic does not scratch your pots and pans, but it's very, very dangerous for your health, because I'm going to show you guys, once I'm done showing you guys these spoons, how melted the plastic utensils can get. And that is very dangerous because that's releasing toxins in my food, and that's not good for my health.
Next one. Oh my gosh, guys, I haven't seen this one either. Like, I've never seen like a squared spoon, which is actually really convenient, guys, because there's some foods that I would say Hispanics, we make rice. Well, it's not that we make a rice. What we do is we scrape the bottom of the pan. In Puerto Rico, it's called pegado. In Nicaragua, it's also called pegado. And yeah, so what we do is with the rice that's in the bottom of the pan, since it's like really fried, like that's where like all the grease that was used to cook the rice is. So that rice is like super crunchy, super tasty, because it has like all the grease, you know, that got stuck onto the pan. So it's so good. And this is perfect because this not only does it scoop up the rice, but it also helps you scrape off the rice, because that's like really like stuck. So this is perfect for those foods that like tend to like get stuck to the pan, but you don't want to like scrape your pan, like, you know, sometimes the kitchen gets really busy, guys, and you need to like spoons, and then you might need a scraper. So yeah, you could, when you're using this one, then you could just use this one at the same time. Oh yeah. Lastly, we're gonna be going on with this one. So this is the classic, we all know and love this one. This is perfect for like a drainer. This could be perfect for pasta, because you know how pasta, you need to like scoop it up, but you want to like drain the water. Awesome, perfect. It has these holes, and it's also a spoon scooper, perfect for pasta. Who doesn't eat pasta? We all eat pasta. Super convenient. This is how I know that they're real wood, guys. Like each thing is like a different color. It's like multi-tone, so that's how you know that this is real wood, because artificial wood, like companies, what they would do is, or they just paint on top of the wood. And I'd rather just it be the natural wood, because it's, I'm assuring everything more healthier food. Like, you know, it's like we're trying to cook healthy food, and then like just to add like chemicals that get released when this gets heated up. Thank you so much, Caperci. Caperci sent me not one, not two, not three, but 4 cutting boards. It looks mad professional. So like I said, I love how these all have holes. I'm gonna show you guys. And then they sent me this one, guys. And you know what's really cool about this? It's 100% genuine bamboo. So this one's super cute. Like I said, guys, this could be used as both kitchen decor, and this is also really cute if you love to do arts and craft, guys. I really recommend you guys doing like getting one of these boards, and then you could also make someone a gift. Like you could put pictures, you could paint with paint, like something like a special phrase that you guys have between each other. You know, you could put a whole bunch of Polaroids. This is super cute. This is a perfect gift to give someone that genuinely enjoys to cook, and you customize it and they could hang it in their beautiful kitchen. Not only are they hanging an awesome cutting board as kitchen decor, but they also have a special meaning to it because you personalized it for them. And obviously you could just use this as a kitchen board. And yeah, I love this, guys, because look at these. So whenever you're chopping something and like the juice is trying to fall, it's just gonna fall into these things right here. So that way you're not getting like a mess all over the kitchen. So that's what I really like about these cutting boards. And I really like how this has a handle as well. So like, let's say you want to move it from one side of the kitchen to put it on your kitchen island, or, you know, just simply move it. You could just have it like this, and then you could easily move it. I love the color. That's how you know that this is real wood, because it looks like real wood right here. It's multi-tone. It's not all just one same tone.
I should have like a show like Selena Gomez on HBO Max, where like she's like cooking on Zoom with like really professional chefs, and then they're teaching her on Zoom how to like cook like really bougie meals.
This is super convenient because you have a 3-pack. Let's say for whenever you're expecting a lot of visits, or you're gonna be hosting like a party, you want to do like shish kebabs, you know, you have a lot of food to make, so then you boom, the big one right here. Look at my head, and then look at this. This is like 3 heads of mine, guys. Like, and it's like really inexpensive, because like in Walmart or like any like kitchen supply stores that you could get like kitchen supplies at, like the price of like one most of the time is the price of what you're getting for all 3, and it's bamboo, guys. And then you got the medium board, so like let's say you got a couple of invites but you don't got too many invites, but you know what I mean, then you use the second board. And if it's just you that lives alone, or just you and your family, you know, the family you live with, then you could just simply use a little small board. Okay, so the first one is 16 by 12 inches, the second one is 14 by 11 inches, and the third one is 11 by 8 inches. Bamboo is 16% harder than maple. 16% harder than maple wood. It's non-absorbent, super good, super convenient for when washing, guys. Because how many times have you been like cooking, and then like the smell or like the juices like get inside the like cutting board, and then your cutting board just smells funny over time, and like probably your cutting board is good, but like because it smells weird, you have to throw it out. And resist shrinking and warping. Amazing that it resists shrinking. I'm not sure about what warping is, but shrinking, that's awesome. You know that you're getting your money's worth for a very, very, very long time. It's ecologically responsible. We love the ecologically responsible. Bamboo is one of the world's most renewable natural resources. We love snaps for Caperci. Snaps for Caperci. Thank you for caring for our world. The world we live in. Thank you so very much, my Mermanicorns, for watching till the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that you love your Caperci Better Kitchen supplies. I'll see you guys very soon if God permits. God bless you. Bye bye.